Hey, what's up? I'm Shane, and today I have another lesson for you involving the words married, get married, be married. Do you know how to use those words? A lot of people make mistakes whenever they use those words, so hopefully this lesson will help you to not make those mistakes. First things first, to marry. It's the verb form of whenever two people get married, a man and a woman. You can see that right there in that picture, lovely. Next thing is to get married. So that is, of course, used involving a wedding. That's what you think of. You think of the wedding. So you would say, when are you going to get married? Or I am going to get married in May. Then you talk about this, to get married, it also involves someone, right? To get married to. So here's the thing is you never say, I married with someone. You know, you always say the person's name. So, you know, I am going to get married to Natalia. That's my wife. So, that's how you would use it. To get married in. Okay, that's denoting some place, right? Where's the wedding going to be? So, I am going to get married in Lake Charles, Louisiana. Okay? To be married, when you start talking about to be married, now you're changing to the person's life right now. Okay? These are all involving the wedding. You see how I separated that? So the person's life right now, to be married, means what's the status? You would ask, like, is so-and-so single or are they married? Is Bob single or is he married? And the other one is, it involves that, but it involves who they're married to. You know, you can combine them too. Yes, Bob is married. He's married to Sue. Okay? So, I have a quiz right here. So, get out a pencil, get out a paper, and test your knowledge and see if you get them all right. So the first thing, number one, is Jim single or married? He is married. 2, who did he marry? He blank Susan. Married. 3, where did he get married? Of course, it's past tense. Remember that. He, instead of get, he got married in London. 4, is Anna single? No, she is married. Okay. 5, who is Anna married to? She is blank to one. Married to. What is Jolene going to do next Saturday? She is going to blank Mike. Get married to Mike. Running out of room there. Okay, so there you go. I mean, there's a few examples. Hopefully this helps you so you know how to use those words. So for now, just keep watching my videos. Subscribe to my channel. I got more coming. Thanks. I'm out.